wanted to share with you a very useful tool for creating sketches digitally, and I think this will be especially useful for creating mind maps, sketching, annotating, and things of that nature. So on the PowerPoint desktop version, there is a button called Draw, and then there's an option that says Draw with Trackpad. And if you just select that, it allows you to use your trackpad as if you were writing on an iPad or as if you were using a touchscreen. So a few things to keep in mind. You're going to have to practice using this, but if you start on the left-hand side of your trackpad, it's going to show up on the left-hand side of the screen. Similarly with other sides, and that's one thing that I've had to kind of learn. So for example, if I want to start in the middle with creating a sketch, one thing that you also need to know is that this comes in parts. So this section up here may not be connected to this section right here. So I'm trying to create a cup. But if it doesn't work out necessarily the way that you're planning it, it's okay because you can manipulate the size and you can manipulate the rotation and you can actually make it work even if it doesn't seem like it's working the way that you intended. So I'm going to go back to my mug and I'm just going to give it a handle. And there I go again, starting in the middle of my trackpad, but that's just been kind of what I've been doing. So again, you'll need a little bit of practice, but the good part is it's manipulative. You can take all of your little sections and move them. And when you're ready to kind of start a new section, just lift your finger off of the trackpad and the computer will kind of reset and give you an opportunity to start over again on your trackpad without necessarily being right over that area that you just drew on. Additionally, I want to make sure I mention that this is a great tool for brainstorming. So I'm just going to delete all these little parts here. Draw with trackpad. And I'm going to start now in the middle of my trackpad. Okay, now I'm just going to draw a line over here and draw a line over here. I started way too far in that corner. Okay, that's not straight. You'll see here, again, it's a bit finicky and it takes some getting used to, but if I don't like that line, I can literally Command C this, Command V it, and now I have a line that looks somewhat congruent to my other lines. So that is it for the draw function here. I hope that this makes your life a little bit easier and that you enjoy using it as much as I have during this project.